To write back to Personio after creating a Personio connector, two things are needed to authenticate the API request: your Bindbee API key and the connector token. The Bindbee API key can be found on our dashboard. Simply navigate to the API key section. If an API key is not already available, it can be regenerated from this location. Once regenerated, copy the API key and paste it here. To find the connector token, navigate to the specific connector and copy the connector token. Paste it here. All fields are necessary to write back the timesheet entry to Personio. The employee ID can be located by requesting the Get Employees API using same method. Copy the ID of employee you want to write timesheet entry for. Once copied, paste it here. The date must be entered in this format. The start time and end time should be in ISO string format. Once everything is in place, the request can be sent. As you can see, the request is successful. To verify this, navigate to the Persona dashboard.